Hello, this is a recording for Monday, March 9th. Today's practice is titled Mother Earth's Embrace. It is designed to help you feel comforted and supported when you just need a hug. So take a comfortable position. In fact, if you can, find a spot on the floor or ground or your bed where you can comfortably lie or sit down. If it's comfortable, try to lie on your belly, making a pillow with your hands, resting your head to the side. If this is not comfortable, lie on your back or side, or just sit supported. Once you're comfortable, take a deep breath in and sigh it all out. Allow your body to let go of any effort against gravity. Peacefully let go to gravity. Allow yourself to be held by Earth unconditionally. Release all body tension to Mother Earth. Let her hold it for you. Release all your worries to Mother Earth. She will hold them for you. Release any heavy emotion or heaviness in your heart. The Earth will hold it. The Earth is holding you, supporting you, unconditionally, always. Always here for a hug whenever you need it. No judgment, no expectations, no strings attached. The Earth is here for you anytime you need to hold your burdens, to give you steady support, to listen. If you'd like to speak your heart to Mother Earth or ask for guidance, take a moment to do that now. If not, simply enjoy the embrace. I'll be silent for a while. Now give thanks to these comforting moments in Mother Earth's embrace. In your own words, or simply your energy. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.